Alright guys, so yesterday Binance Stop Scamming was trending. It was literally trending. It trended in Nigeria. I don't know whether it trended in every other part of the world with 26.2 thousand tweets. Until now, people are still tweeting on Binance Stop Scamming, and a lot of people share their experience of how they've lost their cryptocurrency on a centralized exchange platform, Binance, for different reasons best known to the platform. Somebody even said he lost 3 Bitcoin, which is worth $100 million, right? But that is not what I'll be focusing on today. I'll be explaining to you guys, I'll be teaching you guys step by step the difference between a centralized exchange platform and a decentralized exchange platform. Now, this class, or whatever we call it, this tutorial or this explanation, I will try as much as possible to simplify it, because I realize that a lot of people just invest in crypto. They don't take their time to learn and understand how this works. Difference between a centralized exchange platform and a decentralized crypto exchange platform: one, now the way they operate; two, and I will do another video subsequently giving you practical explanation of decentralized, and how you can move your money from a centralized to a decentralized, and how you can move from a decentralized to a centralized. Every other information you need to know, I will try as much as possible to take it one step at a time, so that this kind of issue would not happen to you. And even if it is going to happen, it should be in a worst case, it should be minimal. The impact or the effect it will have on your investment should be very minimal. So without wasting much of your time, welcome to the Alpha Crypto Wolf channel. On this channel, I talk about cryptocurrencies, crypto airdrop, crypto news, and everything in the crypto space. I make videos every day. Currently we have 7,160 subscribers. Yes, right? If you have not subscribed to this channel, you'll be missing a lot, because right now I'll be focusing more on crypto education, while I still do more of my reviews videos and I still give you guys crypto news. But majorly, I noticed that a lot of people need to be educated on how cryptocurrency operates. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on, so that when I drop every update, you would not miss out. So without wasting much of our time, let's go straight to today's class. I have a guide, and this guide you can take note if you want to. This guide is going to help me have a talking point, because normally I like making my videos, I just talk from the top of my head, just explain everything straight and direct. But I feel it is better for me to have like a guide, one step at a time, so that everything will sync. So let's go straight to this explanation. What I'll be doing is I'll be taking you through the difference between a centralized exchange and a decentralized exchange platform, right? And we keep it moving from there. So what is a centralized exchange platform? Once you see a centralized exchange platform, you can see an abbreviation called CEX. CEX simply means centralized exchange. Now, a centralized exchange is a cryptocurrency exchange that allows a middleman to conduct and oversee trades and handle your asset. A cryptocurrency exchange which allows a middleman to conduct and oversee trades and even help you to handle your asset. Examples of centralized exchange platforms: we have platforms like Binance.com. This is example of a centralized exchange platform. This is Binance.com. Here the platform is the middleman that helps you to organize your trade, manage your trade, and also manage your asset. In other words, on this platform, for every trade you want to make, you make it on the platform. The platform monitors everything. When you want to buy, when you want to sell, the platform monitors, right? Now, if you stake your cryptocurrency, you are staking on the platform. Everything you do is done on the platform. Another example of a centralized exchange platform is crypto.com. Coinbase. Coinbase is a centralized exchange platform. On this platform too, you can buy your cryptocurrency, you can sell your cryptocurrency, you can trade cryptocurrency, and most of the time, people are always on centralized exchange platform to actually buy or sell cryptocurrency. Although some centralized exchange platform create space where you can actually store your cryptocurrency, the major aim of a centralized exchange platform is for you to buy and you sell, you trade, you stake your cryptocurrency, right? That is another example of a centralized exchange platform. You see crypto.com. And if you notice something about all these websites, they look so similar. They allow you to buy, they allow you to sell, they allow you to trade. If you click on the product of crypto.com, you will see crypto earn, crypto pay credit. These are how to buy tokens. There you see buy and sell. You see the exchanges, exchange home, trading, derivatives, wallets, swap. This, like, it is majorly for buying, selling, trading, and doing other stuff in the crypto space. If you come to Binance, you're going to see almost the same thing. You see trade markets, various ways to trade, p2p, strategy trading, swap trading, fan token, that you see the markets where you get all the informations about cryptocurrencies and stuff like that. That is a centralized exchange platform. Now, if you want to do anything, the platform monitors. They can close your account if they believe that there's any fraudulent whatever. They can freeze your portfolio. They can do anything they want to do because you operate on the platform. If you want to get more information about centralized exchange platform, if you come to coingecko.com, on the top place you are going to see exchanges. Just click on this spot, spot. Majority of the exchanges you will see here are centralized exchange platform. You can see Binance, you can see OKX, you can see that it is even written below centralized. KuCoin, FTX, Crypto Exchange, Huobi Global, Gate.io. Everything you are seeing here are all centralized exchange platforms. Now, all these platforms are platforms that help you to monitor your token and your transaction and everything. Sometimes we even call them escrow. Everything you do, they monitor. You understand? So they do the check and balance for you. For you to register on the centralized exchange platform, you cannot be anonymous. You need to put your information. They would ask for your identification. You put your address. You put everything they have on your information. It's similar to going to the bank to create an account. When you go to the bank to create an account, the bank begins to help you manage your money. The bank can decide to suspend your account, freeze your account, do whatever they want to do. And the problem with centralized exchange platform is that people can hack and can steal token from them, like, because everybody are investing their money on a centralized exchange platform. If the platform is not strong enough, not well secured, hackers can actually hack through and steal tokens from a centralized exchange platform. Something like that happened last few weeks back, in less than 2 weeks, when crypto.com was hacked over $33 million. Yes, I think if some of 15 million Ethereum and 15 million Bitcoin actually reported that particular news, and that is a centralized exchange platform. That is the problem that comes with a centralized exchange platform. So let's keep it moving. Now, the thing is, number one, a centralized exchange platform, they control your fund, they control your money. You buy your cryptocurrency on the exchange platform and they begin to control it. Once you are signing up on a centralized exchange platform, you are losing the control over your funds. They can do whatever they want to do. That is why it is centralized. Just like the way you put your money in the bank can decide to do whatever they want to do in their own opinion. They can just tell you tomorrow that they got a call from the government and they have to freeze your account, your money, but you have given them the authority to manage your money and you have signed it in the terms and conditions. Number two, on a centralized exchange platform, you are not anonymous. You are going to register, you are going to put your information, you put your details. Let me show you something like that. Look at this. If you come on binance.com, you see register. Once you click on this register, they'll be asking you for all your details. If you go to Coinbase, it's almost the same thing. There's always a place for you to sign up or you register, right? Once you register, they ask for all your information, right? I have a call, guys. Just give me a second, please. So, guys, as I was explaining, I said you have to register on this platform, and yes, your money can be hacked and stolen. People hack, like hackers, they hack exchange platform. Binance has been hacked many times in the past. The same thing happened to crypto.com recently. Crypto.com was hacked. Although most of the time when this hack happens, most of this exchange platform, they try as much as possible to take responsibility of refunding people's money back to them if the hack has happened. And yes, sometimes they have server downtime because there are a lot of people registered on this platform, a lot of load, a lot of stuff happening on the platform. They have server downtime from time to time. The server is overloaded, overcrowded, and you cannot perform transactions and stuff like that. These are the issues, and this is how the centralized exchange platform works. Now, the second type of exchange platform we have is called the decentralized exchange platform. Decentralized exchange platform. Now, the decentralized exchange platform, also known as DEX, is a crypto exchange that allows for peer-to-peer transaction to take place securely without the need of an intermediary and a middleman. The difference between a centralized and a decentralized majorly is the fact that in the decentralized, you are removing the middleman. Now you are having transaction peer to peer with people without the involvement of a middleman. In other words, in a decentralized exchange platform, you have a wallet, you have a crypto wallet. Now in the crypto wallet, you can now begin to do transaction with your wallet, controlling everything that happens in your wallet. Now another way I can simplify this using the example I gave when I said you go to the bank and invest your money, is that in a decentralized exchange platform, is like you now buying a safe boss. In Nigeria, there's what we call a piggy boss. Now that piggy boss is a boss where people create a little hole and they put their money, they save their money somewhere and keep it in their house. So this case, you are the one saving your money yourself, you control your money. The only time you can lose your money is if probably you are robbed, and if the robbers actually know that you have a piggy box, they get the piggy box and they break into it, you understand? Or you break your piggy box and you remove your money, you spend your money. So this time around, you have a wallet where you save your cryptocurrencies and you do your transaction peer to peer. So if you want to buy, you want to sell, instead of you to buy from a centralized exchange platform, you can look for somebody else that wants to sell, and you can actually sell your cryptocurrency. Now when you invest in the crypto space, the best place to store your investment is in a decentralized exchange, most times a wallet. They have different types of wallet, the old code wallet, the hot wallet, and stuff like that. I will not be focusing on those wallets. I'll be focusing on the decentralized exchange platform. And popular decentralized exchange platform like wallets that we know, we have the Trust wallet, we have the MetaMask wallet, we have so many wallets like that. If you come to CoinGecko, you come to exchange and you click on DEX, you're going to see a lot of decentralized exchange swaps where you can actually get your token in decentralized. You have the Uniswap, Spooky Swap, Pancake Swap. Pancake Swap is very popular, Trader Joe, Sushi Swap, this. But the wallet where you can actually store the tokens that you get on a decentralized exchange platform, some of these wallets, they include, like I mentioned earlier, that we have the MetaMask wallet, we have the Electron wallet, we have the Edge wallet, the Trust wallet, Exodus wallet, Robinhood crypto wallets. Now there's a Robinhood exchange and there's a Robinhood wallet. Now we have the Mycelium wallet, we have the blockchain wallet, we even have the Binance chain wallet. So most of these exchange platforms, they have their wallet. So people should not just invest their money and leave their money in the crypto exchange platform. Rather, they should actually move the money, if it is an investment that they are keeping for a long term, to exchange wallet. To their crypto decentralized exchange wallet, because once it is in their wallet, the platform doesn't have control over it anymore. You are the only one that now control your wallet, right? That is the mistake a lot of people are making. And you can actually move your cryptocurrencies from your centralized exchange platform to your decentralized exchange wallet. For you to get your wallet, you can just go on google.com, right? And just search for let's say you want to download the Trust wallet. Just search for Trust wallet. You can get it on Play Store. Look at it. Once you click on Trust wallet, you will see Trust wallet, the best cryptocurrency wallet. You just click on download, boom. If you click here, this is the official website. It will open and you see download. You click on download. You are not going to need to fill any information about yourself, about your name or whatever. You just click on download here. Once you download it, they are going to give you a code. They call the code the seed phrase 12 code. That 12 code is very important. Once you lose that code, that is the end. You will not be able to access your wallet. If anybody can get access to that code, they can actually open your wallet and scam you and take your token. So all you need to do is to just have that 12 code, save it, write it somewhere, keep it, and as far as you have that code, you always have access to your wallet. You are anonymous. You don't need to put any information, register your name or whatever. Another wallet you can actually search for again, we have the MetaMask. Trust wallet, MetaMask are very popular among the crypto exchange wallet. Now look at it, MetaMask wallet. Just search for MetaMask. You're going to see MetaMask, a crypto wallet and gateway to blockchain apps. You click on it, it's going to show you how you can download the wallet. Once you download, you can see that there's no register or whatever here. Once you download the wallet, you're going to get a code, a seed phrase. You have to write it out, and that is what you use every time you want to log into your wallet. You must make sure it is always safe, right? and like that you just go on and check for different wallets you can use to carry out your transaction. So I'll be rounding off this video because I don't want this video to be too long. Now, the advantage of using a crypto exchange wallet is, number one, you control your funds yourself. Number two, you are anonymous. So the centralization where the platform, the middlemen control your money, is no longer happening again. You now control yourself. Number two, you are anonymous. Number three, it is hard for your wallet to be hacked except you lose your code, your seed phrase, because everybody have unique codes that they use in saving their own token. Like they used to log in. My own 12 seed phrase code is different from yours, like that, except you have access to mine. That is when you can have access to my wallet. Then finally, you have 24/7 server. Like, it is not like the exchange platform where sometimes they can be overwhelmed, they are trying to upgrade, they are trying to do maintenance and stuff like that, and there will be downtime. When you are using an decentralized exchange wallet, you are like, you can do your transactions 24 hours round the clock, peer to peer. So the mistake Nigerians are making, I've let people coming to drag Binance for actually according to them, scamming them and stuff like that, is because they left the majority of their money, their investment, in a centralized exchange platform. And I can see some people already shouting, we'll move our money from Binance to to Coinbase or to crypto.com. You are still leaving your money in a centralized exchange platform. When you are signing up on a centralized exchange platform, you accept terms and conditions that your money can be frozen at any time without any explanation. You click yes and you submit when you are registering. But a decentralized exchange, nobody is giving you terms and conditions. Your cryptocurrencies are safe, everything is okay. When you understand the difference between these two, you have peace. That being said, if you find this my video very interesting, please make sure you like my video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on, subscribe to the Alpha Crypto channel, because I'll be showing you practically how a centralized exchange work and a decentralized exchange work, right? Bye for now, and I hope to see you in my next video. I hope this video helps you guys and clarify you guys and give you guys more knowledge on the crypto space. Back to back, I'll be dropping more videos, and I hope you keep watching my channel.